Hi everyone, welcome to this video on metaclasses in Python. So in Python, everything is an object. Even classes are objects. So we will check this. So let's say int, string and list and dict. These are some inbuilt classes in Python. Even these are like objects. So I would print type of int and it would come as type. So basically classes are also objects in Python. So classes are objects of some metaclasses. So metaclasses are like class of classes. So here in this case int is a class and this type is a metaclass. So type is meta class of this class int. So this is how we can understand this. Also we can confirm it with age instance, so it should be true. So this comes true. So now we have understood that in Python everything is object. Even classes are also objects. So now let's move to let's check that are meta classes also objects or not. So if I do this also should be returning true. Oh, I'm sorry for this. So this also returns true. So this meta class type also has some type, and that is type. So everything is an object, even the classes or the meta classes, everything in Python is an object. So like what's the benefit of this meta class? So let's remove this. So let's say you want to create a singleton class. So in Python there's no such functionality where you can create this singleton class. Like there's no such inbuilt functionality. You need to write some extra code, then you will be able to do it. So meta classes are basically used to change the behavior of our classes. So we will write a meta class first and then we will look complete example of this. So I am naming the meta class as singleton and I need to extend it from type. So and I would take that currently no like at the initialization no instances would be there, like for the first call. So I would be overriding this call method, and here I would be passing all this, and then I would be doing this. And here I would return write this. So it works, so no syntax error is there. So now if I want to make some class as singleton class, so basically singleton is no more than one object should be created for a particular class. So let's say uh, I am taking this as class name, and here I need to specify that meta class will be Singleton. That means we want behavior of this item class according to Singleton class. So Singleton is a meta class here. So if I create two objects using this, then both objects would be same. And oh, my bad. So it worked. So A is B. So basically both here what we did is, if some instance is created earlier, then we are returning it directly. If some instance is not created earlier, then we are creating it and like keeping it like saved in memory. And later when a request comes for creating a new object, we will just return the object created. So no more than one object can be created. This is how you can change behavior of classes with metaclass. So it's very good functionality in Python, but some of the Pythonistas say that around 99% of the developers don't need this metaclass concept and all. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.